The AI Arts Festival is really a vehicle for engaging with the public, showing off the research and the expertise that we have around the university. We've organised through AI Southampton, which is there to bring people together, to get conversations started around AI.
Not a lot of people know what AI is, and we thought the best thing to do would be to get real concrete examples of AI in the arts out in the community, so people can experience it.
It's another technology that could open up new frontiers for human creativity and what can be done with the arts.
As there's a generation rising up where this technology is going to be commonplace, I think anything we can do to help educate around some of the risks and the dangers as well as the opportunities will only be good.
It's fantastically engaging, especially for little children, but also all ages really. I think it's a fantastic initiative.
It's just an interesting area of how AI and arts work together in a collaborative way rather than AI taking from art. I wanted to give these two a bit more exposure to AI.
I've enjoyed seeing all the robots, and the robot dog could dance and it shook our bottom at us. My favourite part today was to hear Buddy reads because it's just amazing and unbelievable.
I thought it was like just your phone, but now I realise it's quite a bit more than that.
In the workshop we were trying to create our own movies, our age group.
Things like this where we play with the kids and we test AI. Often kids will throw something so unexpected that will push technology to its limits. And when you see the limits of that, you gain a different understanding of how it works. Seeing it in action, actually playing with it and experimenting is just great for the kids. They internalize it better when they play with what they're given.
What I really loved was when I had a group of young teenage boys watching my video and they all laughed together when a particularly interesting example of AI getting it wrong came up on screen. I love that.
There was a lot of mistakes on the AI cat they think it's quite funny. It's not actually always accurate.
I could see the "oh wow" reactions from some of them where they went, I didn't realise it did that.
I found Matthew Shields' piano concert really illuminating as he talked us through, in a really compelling and beautifully played but also very sort of understandable way, what's going on for him as an instrumentalist when he's working with AI generated music.
Events like this that are made by universities to reach out to the public, I think they're really important. We need to make it understandable and interesting, all of the work that we're doing, and boy is it interesting. So we have to make a real effort to get out there, and so I'm delighted to be here.
I've been really pleased to see people asking questions in every session I've been in, also young people. There's been so many ideas, but if people could remember one idea from today, I hope it would be like, it's about humans, it's not about machines.